It's time to dye my hair for the 50th time. You might ask, why do you do it over and over and over? It's like an addiction almost. Like 1 inch of new growth, it's gotta be retouched. So today we'll be using Dark and Lovely. I've never used this before. It might give my hair a hint of purple. That's kind of what I want. Ooh, I almost tripped there. I've never done that before. I always said I was gonna do purple or dark purple. I'm just gonna do this, and then now I'm gonna use this black people stuff. It should pick up my hair, cause I use a door, y'all, and it did not pick up at all. That was a fail. I'm gonna insert the clips here. Ding, ding, ding. Yeah, that mug did not stick at all. So this time we'll be using this and this, and if it doesn't pick up, there will be problems. Yeah, I look at the creepy thing that goes. It's time. It was definitely time to give it up. The wig. It's not the new growth coming out on the sides. The hair coming out the back. I'm gonna take this out raw. No alcohol, no nothing. Just. Is that too obvious? Okay, let me not rip out my edges. 1 second. Cause I'm a grinder. Oh, 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 oh. I get money for real. I wonder if I can get drunk off this. I get money for real. Oh, 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 oh. Nothing, just my whole For You page playing in my head. See, that's the thing I don't really like about pink. The hair tends to turn red, fade to an ugly hue of orange. Like, ew. Ew, ew, ew. Hideous. So yes, it's a problem that I dye my hair so many times. I've dyed my hair before I locked my hair. When it was curly, dyed my ends gold. I've dyed my ends, I think magenta one time. I think I did. I've dyed my whole head golden. I dyed it blonde again. I did brown with gold. I guess I just put so much box dye on it that it wouldn't do it. So now I went black, fully black. And then now I'm back reverse dyed. So this will be the 50th time. Wish me luck. Boneless locks. Ooh, that feeling when you feel bald headed again. Oh! And about let me not record looking like this. And y'all, I do be selling most of my wigs. Some of them used. I even have a new wig on there, I think, that I ordered by accident. I just don't want it. I'll leave my link tree below in case I want to buy it. But I have a bunch of wigs on there and clothes that I don't wear no more. Bro, my hair be so curly, like. Is it even inches? Just a tad bit. Just a tad bit, but oh, new growth is crazy. Oh, it looks curly though. Like, I should two-strand my twist. I should two-strand twist my hair this time, huh? Can we just fill the room with thank you? Oh, nah, but let's just fill the room thank you, because I finally got some gloves. My hands be turning orange, green, purple, pink, blue, every color in the rainbow, because I never have gloves on without my hair. But this time, I'm prepared. Gloves. Boom. Dye. Boom. Bleach. Boom. 30 developer. Boom. I see you over there judging me. Don't judge me. I'm gonna use my 30. If I had 50, I'd use it too. Cause one thing about it, these roots is gonna lift. I don't care. I'm not gonna have no half dyed, half bleached hair. Simple as that. So one thing about it, when my stylist puts glue on my edges, I noticed that the dye doesn't really pick up as good if there's like glue on your edges. So I like to comb out. I usually wash it out, but I'm not washing my hair 3 times in 1 day. My edges are like pretty white. They're like straight. Yeah, my hair is like really white. The parts that's not locked at least. But I won't pick up or the bleach. It won't lift it if there's like dry glue on it. You feel me? It's like protecting it almost. So yeah. Huh? What? Vaughn? Okay. Let's stop. Let's just get into it. Get into it for real. Bro, why am I why are my edges so long? This is kind of a concern. I got one wait, it's like fine, that's my edges, that's my door hairs. Oh yeah, my edges are. But let's start yapping and get to it. When it comes to bleach, I don't really do too much measuring. I just know it's a 2-to-1 ratio, and that's it. That's all. And I don't even have that much bleach left in this container because I bleach everywhere in my house. This is all the bleach I have. That's all I got. Yeah, that's all I have left. So we're gonna see if it's enough to lift these roots. It should just be enough because I'm only applying it to the roots. the way I do it. You know how whenever you start a new job, you like this how you're supposed to do it, but this how I do it. You know, for the secrets behind me. How when people start a job, like this is how you're supposed to do it, but this is how I do it. Yeah, this is how I'm showing you. Don't do what I do. Just copy what I do, but in a better way. You feel me? So you should be measuring this stuff, but me, I mean, this is kind of measuring. I just measure with this. I do 2 of these, 2 of these, and 2 of these. Shit doesn't want to come out. Shit doesn't want to come out of there. Okay, see, this is how some. It looks like. But yeah, see, I'm gonna get one of. I'll just do 2 of these and 1 of these. Wait, I forgot. Is the bleach 2 to 1 or is the developer 2 to 1? Like, do I do 2 scoops? I'm pretty sure it's 1 scoop of bleach and 2 scoops of developer. Oh shit. Doesn't know. Dang, this bleach already on my hand. I'm looking ashy. Steve Urkel. What? What? Just look it up. My ADHD is like running around. Bleach. Okay, it's definitely 2 parts developer, 1 part bleach. I don't know why it would ever be 2 parts bleach. I don't know. But hey, y'all think it's enough? I think it's enough. Every time I say it's enough, it's never enough. Oh my love, 1,000 kisses from you, too much. Okay. Oh my god, I don't even think I have enough developer. If I mix 20 and 10 together, would that make it 30? Yo, I have just enough. Literally, like, if y'all could see. That's what I keep trying to show y'all. So the mixture should be like a little loose mixture. This one might be a little thick. It appears all I have is I have like 3 bottles of 20 left. I feel like a boy happened if I mix 30 and 20 developer together. Reddit has everything. One thing about it, if the internet don't have it, if ChatGPT don't have it, if your mama don't have it, Reddit, somebody on Reddit done did it 10 years ago and they gonna have it. I'm planning on bleaching my hair soon. I have 20 and 30 volume developer. If I mix them, am I creating 50 or 25 developer? Is it safe to mix? First off, where did you get 25 from? It's 20 and 30 anyway. Is it safe to mix them? I don't have enough of either to just use them on their own without buying more. 25. This is commonly done in a salon for in-between volume. Not as fast as 30, not as slow as 20. How did they get 25? Oh, because it just levels it out, the number between it? What? I'm not gonna lie, I've never messed up before, but I don't know why my stuff was this liquidy. Like, it literally used to be thick. I don't know if I should add more bleach or what, but what the heck? Let's go ahead and glove up. I feel like I'm gonna do an open heart surgery. Let's go. Let me get a towel because every time I bleach with a black shirt, it ends up bleached as well. Did I order the tie-dye Supreme special? Like, no, I didn't. But all my shirts are literally like that. Just for the roots. I feel as if it should be enough. It's pretty runny. Yeah, we're gonna try it. Y'all said it's gonna be enough. So, if it's not enough, I'm coming for each and every one of you. Okay, let's not zoom in. Just get to it for real for this time. Looking at it. Bring the beat in. The key is to flip over each and every lock. Like, boom, go on that side, but you gotta go on that side and that side too. That's the key. Look, when you on this side, look, you gotta make sure you get on this side. But you forgot there's 4 sides to a square, so you got on this side too. That's the trick thing about locks. None of them get me started on dyeing the actual lock strand. Whew. This is very my scalp. I'm gonna change this to a bleach bath real quick, real fast. Wait, no, I feel like that's gonna be too harsh to my hair. Never mind. I done pulled off the splat bleach. Like, I don't know why it's blue, but hey, I don't care. I'm not using 20 this time, so like I said, it wasn't enough. But yeah. Oof, it's already stinking on my scalp. Alright, well, when I get rich, I'm gonna start paying people to do this, cause, ooh, child. Even my underneath. Don't think I forgot about you. Yeah, I be talking about myself. What about it? Well, I should talk me up. Oh my god, is it on my neck? It's on my neck. Hold on, move. Lift it up, boom, lighting. Boom, boom, boom. Now we wait. I just go and mop off all the strands that did not need that bleach because who hair finna fall out? Not mine. But even dabbing them dry don't do nothing. You really gotta add water to the rag, or it's not gonna take the bleach off the strands. This is how precautionary I am. Like, I don't care how people's locks fall out. I'm too self-aware of what needs to be bleached and what doesn't. You feel me? She's almost ready. It's like she still got a little more time to process it, but she's looking pretty good. Pretty good, mom. Oh. Did I miss some spots? Be honest. Be honest. Shoot, imagine if I just left it with blonde roots and pink in the middle. Sometimes I like to put on a little thin cap just for fun to help everything process and marinate. You feel me? Like a little roast. But no, I'm just gonna not put my locks in there because it's gonna bleach the rest of them. I guess it helps process the heat. Maybe I should add heat so I don't have to bleach it again. Yes or no? Add heat. Let's add a little heat. Yeah, I don't even think I'm finna wait the full 30 minutes because she's lifting. She's definitely lifting it. I didn't even add no heat. I lied to y'all. I ain't adding heat. I'll be messed up. But she's definitely lifting. Didn't I tell you to tell me if I missed a spot? Why? It's always an issue. Now I gotta fix this up real quick. God. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. I ain't think I knew what I was doing for real, huh? Usually when I reverse dye my hair, I'll put the black on or the pink on. I'll do the pink first and then at the end scoot up the black. But I'm too lazy for that. I think I'm gonna just do both at the same time. It could be a big mistake. It could be not a mistake at all, but at this point I don't really care. And I'm looking like Lil Sosa right now. It's not looking too good. Okay, my lashes done real bad. Sometimes when I look this, I'm tired of looking like Wiz Khalifa and Bob Marley if they had a kid. So, dang this glove. It's time. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I was utterly confused. Like, why is the color not pink? It's like orange. What is this, honey? It is turning pink. I almost said, did they say me the wrong stuff? The color has activated. This is a workout mixing this together, but I feel like the color is activated. I was gonna say they better not have sent me the wrong stuff. I mean, not sent me it, I bought it. But I was gonna say, because at first it was looking orange. At first it had no color, it was yellow. Then it looked orange. I'm like, okay, it gotta be turned to a color. Somehow it magically appeared this color. My roots really is not even gonna be pink. It's probably gonna be like magenta. This is poppin'. This is poppin' pink, but like, yeah, I don't know. I guess it's time to apply. So, and then this is the black I got. I'm not even finna use a bowl. I'm just finna be raw. I'm gonna just use my hands. Let's pop it like some champagne. Woo! 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 Oh my god. Okay, forget it. Oh, you unscrew it. Wow, that's lovely. Apply some Vaseline. No, I don't really care at this point. We're ready. We're ready. Doc, she's ready. Ah, man. If this dye don't stick to my hair, I will actually cry for days. And my hair would just be blonde. Because at this point, it comes to a point where you just don't care anymore. You feel me? Like, yeah, I'm just gonna leave my hair that color. How much money I've spent on dye? Like, I should really just add it up dye and bleach. Because how many times I've dyed my hair? Not even just my hair. After the 50 times. And then I bleached wigs before. I've dyed wigs before too. I've toned them. Like, ooh, it's giving. She's giving. Oh, she's definitely giving poppin'. Poppin'. Pink. Hit me up if you need your dreads dyed. Must have a cut. Must be 6 foot and up. Must. Actually 5'11". Must be 5'11" and up. Must have a fresh cut. Must have a sleeve of tattoos. Must be in the same tax bracket as Elon Musk as well. I added too.
But y'all wrong the lip.
I'm just walked in here. Perhaps I added too much dye? I don't know. I don't know. Now, it's like really dark. I don't know if I can see, but it looks light on camera, but it's like dark. Like it's gonna get purple. I kind of like it. I mess with it for sure. That's whack. So you want to make sure you go up and down the shaft of the hair and rub it in, but don't mix it in with the part. You feel me? I mean, I guess it's common sense, but this is what I usually run out of the black dust. This is what I usually run out of the black dust, so this is what I need to be mindful of. You don't want to leave out too much dyed hair because this is going to look like ombre. We don't want that. We want reverse dyed, so basically only the roots. One thing about it, one side will dye and the other side won't, you're going to be looking dumb. Dumb. Let me show you the difference between the black and the brown. The black and the brown. Big difference, huh? I wanna wake up with you. I ain't gonna lie, my hair is getting a little too dark. Yeah. She's pretty coated.
How about we keep this party train out?
It's only right that I watch Superstore while I'm doing this.
What if we shake it up and...
Sure.